Hi everyone. So I have built a new CRM that's called TaskHub. So firstly, this is the landing page of the all CRM functionality. So you can see over that this is the interface of the UI of the dashboard, and all things are will be here, so you can check. And secondly, the pricing page. This is not integrated yet with the payment integrations, so later we can integrate. Secondly, the doc section. The document section will be all things are integrated. What is the architecture? What is the textile? What is the core functionality? All are added over there. Also, the APIs. This is the test credential, so you can see that. So user can come and see the panel. So nextly, the sign up page. I have implemented the OTP verification and also the email verification to this, but I have already signed it. So this is the first UI, the dashboard interface. So this is the super dashboard. So different work page will be different dashboard, so user can change the dashboard accordingly. So this is the super dashboard where all the performance, all the record will be populated weekly, the team performance, the task priority distributions, completion rates, monthly trends, project distributions, all the things will be said. Also the time complexity or the timing, what is called and distribution thing, all will be here. And that I have implemented a QR code scanner for the attendance management. Later on we can see that. So user or a client can come, they can scan by for the attendance. That is implemented. And next, the bell icon. So whatever tasks assigned to the employee, they will get a notification with the bell icon. Then the profile section. So basically in this section, user can add their icon, their company logo, which will populate as an avatar as a company logo. You can see that. And that, so next we can set up our all things. Go to the settings section, we can see the tags section. So tags basically define a project, so we can filter out by the tags our projects. So let's go to the create tags. So we can create a new tags. This because already have a tag, so we can create a new tag. So we can give a name, best suitable name. This is IT devs, and we can choose the colors also accordingly to the tags, and we can put the description about the tags. So this is optional. Create now here. So instant this is comes out or fetching the data. Let's create department. So already I have created so many departments over here. So for that, let's create a new department. So I have to give a department code. Okay, sorry. So let's copy and cut to paste in the department code. Then I have to give a department name based. This is the sales department. So we can provide a description about the department. So this is called IT department for devs. So as per our department, we can choose our manager, so who can monitor or who can see all the activities about the employee. So this is the manager section. Basically I am the admin now, so I am the manager of this whole thing. So let's choose admin for myself. Okay, so let's choose once, then create department. Okay, so for that it will takes little bit of time. Okay, instantly the data will be loaded. Then go to the create employee section, where we can where we will be having so many functionalities about the employee section. We can give a permission, we can provide employee to credentials. So for this first employee, so this is a very good thing, put it over there, this unique employee id. So we can provide the all employee to be different employee id for the identifications. So for the status sections, only terminate, resign, this all are status. So we can, admin can change all the things. Let's create a new employee. So create by myself, Mr. Pariche, and last name employee, and email. So email basically for the credential, username and password. So let's create a email call Mr. Pariche employee at the gmail.com. So let's copy it for the password credential. For the phone verification, this is implemented via for the 10 digits or the characteristics, all the defined. So you can see the notes, so how to add a number. Okay, so nextly for the employee information, so where we have to put the employee in the department section. So newly created this is, so I have chosen. Okay, and the position section I have added almost all the IT industry departments, also other departments as well, so we can uh, choose as a department. Otherwise if not, so we can choose other, but basically now I'm going to choose let's see intern. Okay, so this is the new intern we hire, and the pickup joining date for the employee, let's, okay, so let's 29. Okay, for the salary section, just because this is for the finance to the employee salary management, so we have to put the salary for the intern. Whatever salary we can put, we can calculate by the salary management in the finance section. So give a address to, so basically I'm the local in Siliguri. Let's see, put my address, Siliguri, West Bengal. Sorry. Okay, good. Nextly put a city also same Siliguri, and state I have put all the Indian state. Okay, so you can shortcutly press W, so that will be populate. And zip code I have put it any random zip code, and country I have put it all the countries over there, and also the shortcut keys, so we can press I, so that India will becomes. And the emergency contact we can put anything. So basically now I'm putting a demo, a relationship between employee and the emergency contact, and the numbers as well, the same thing we are putting previously. The most important thing, this is the login credential. So I have copied the email id, I have to paste it as a password. Firstly password, then I have to put the confirm password, so matching the password. This is very important. So employee permission, so whatever permission I have to give the employee, so they can utilize all the thing, so permission wise. So I'm giving this my tasks for the view taxing and all the thing, and notification for the tasks given notification, and the attendance. Let's for this enough, let's create employee, cross it. Okay, so now, so never. Okay, you can see that instant the data is loaded. Okay, so let's copy and go to the other tab, so I can open an employee id, employee login. Okay, so let's go other tabs. So I can put email address and password, both are same, already we have created. So okay, so it is open. So you can see that this is the fresh dashboard, just because we are not assigning any tags, anything. So this is the my tags, the user can see their tags, regular taxes. And this is the attendant management. So basically he is not attending anything, so the attendance not be populated over there. So this just because he is a new employee. So let's go to the work page, later we can discuss all the things. Okay, so work page, this is a work page. So company can create multiple workplace, and multiple workplace has a multiple projects. So in the particular workplace we can invite so many members. So basically you can see in the like there is a two projects already I have created. Okay, so for the invitation we can invite by a link, or you can send an email for the particular uh, employee. Okay, so let's create a new project. Not now, so this is the project create from. So let's enter our already created project. So this is the project, all project details section, where you can see the Kanban view. There will be a multiple stages we can create. We can manage all the thing, like we can manage stages, and we can scroll down, scroll up. Okay, so you can see all the manage sections. We can manage it. So I have already created, as you see. And the colors and icon, we can put different stages for the colors and icon. We can select as well for the company needs. So this is the task list. So we can see the list as of list type. So this is a timeline, so where you can see or you can monitor all the activity of working hours, the how many hours the employee are working, so they can see there. This is the chatting system for how many members in the present in the project, so they can communicate each other. Okay, so let's back to the Kanban view, and let's back. So you can see the members. So all the members, how many members in this workplace project, so they can communicate each other who are assigned to the particular project. So basically these chats showing the all members who are assigned. You can as well you see it previously. So we can mention any members via this. So let's typing or message someone. So this is your new project. Let's enter or send. So you can see without any page refresh or anything, so this is trigger. We can reply it. Let's reply. So you can see as well, and we can react for the message. This is populate instant. Okay, without any load paging. So you can see that. Yeah, go ahead. Nice. So for that let's go to the yeah. So you can see the previous message as a today we have message someone. Also the reply message, if you click the reply message, this is interface as same like WhatsApp. Try to building it. Okay, let me click and open new any tasks. So this is the tasks interface. We have assigned the tasks. So for this comment sections, whichever assigns member to the tasks, so they can communicate each other. This is the particular member tasks for only. So if I uh, matches someone, so you can mention, you can see that these three members are assigned for the task. Only this member can see in the list, other whole members will be not communicate each other. So you can say that. So let me do one thing. Okay, and the right side section you can track a time, estimate time, start timing, all the things we can track for the working employed. So estimate time was started. So for the add time we can add additional grace period time. This is the status or state change. So basically this happen if the employee try to change any states, so there will be a verification message, get message from the admin can change the or approve the status. So let's back. So back once again. Okay, so invite, let me invite the new employee. I have already created the account. Let's go and copy paste just because I have already created, that's why I'm doing this. So otherwise the message will be go to the email for the verification or accept invitations. Okay, so I have accepting. Okay, so you can see that the new members are added. Once I refresh, so you can see that uh, that that is okay. Let's go back to the admin. Okay, let's try to refresh once, so you can see that assigned project members is added. So see that the Mr. Parichaya employee, I have newly created this employee, so you can see that. So what I have to do, let's create a project. So giving a project title, new demo project, project description, anything I can put it. So this is a new project for you. So I can put a pickup date, a pick a date, and due date, started and ended. This is a project started and ended, and I can tag that is created in the settings section. Okay, I have mentioned the tag. I can put in progress the project status. Member I have assigned, whom the new members I have added, that is called Mr. Parichaya. So this is the last. So I can give a user module permission for contributor, but the admin, who are admin, I am the admin, so I have to select a manager, just because the all monitoring all permission. Okay, so for the permission I have to select a manager. So you can see, okay, now you can see that the new projects is created. So what I have to do, so if I go to the tasks, now see that tasks will be not so, just because I have not given the permission of workspace. If I give a permission of workspace, so employee can also see all workspace will be there. Okay, now I'm going to the project that I have newly created. So this is the interface. So this all four are basically default stages. Let me give a task to the new employee. So new project task for you, and descriptions. Okay, done the tasks by the day. Okay, status will be to do, due date will be today's date. Okay, estimate time I'm giving 5 hour, and assign whom, the new employee. Okay, so let's create. So okay, this is come, the new tasks come into to-do list. So what do you have to do, so if I go to the employees, if I once refresh, then you can see in the bell icon the notification will become the new task will be assigned. So if I click, so it will redirect me to the task page, so we can see that. Okay, so this is all about the interface, the assign, the description, and the subtext. If I give a subtext, so we can give a subtext to the uh, employee, and the file upload attachment, so we can attach anything. So let's go to download, so I can upload anything. Okay, I have upload one file. So you can see the successful message, upload success message, and there will be view section. So the employee or user can view whatever the attachment will be there, so they can view. Once I click the icon, so you can see the view. Okay, this is the normal I have uploaded. So also download and delete, so all the things we can perform. Let's, if the employee try to delete any task, he or she will not get a delete button, just because the user permission. So only can the admin or the manager can delete the task, otherwise not. So let's, for the changing status. Okay, so if I refresh once, so the status will be under verification. Otherwise the status will be, if I not verified this, so it will be on the same stage. So it's under verification. So let's start timer. Now I'm giving a subtext for that. Okay, added a subtext for you. create create sorry, a landing page. Let's add. So it will instant update it. You can see if I check it, it will be checked like a checkbox. So go to the admin. So let's see that whatever the employee added or asking for the verification, so also viewed. Okay, I can download also all the thing. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, the same thing. And this is the commit section. So let's go to the verify section for the asking verification for the employee. So there is a thing, all the for what project he asks for the verification, who are the asking, and status to do testing for asking for the verifications. Okay, so let's approve it. So we can also notes, additional note, no needs. So instant this is approved, and see that approved 7, previously 6, it was 6. Let's see the approved message. It's populated in the first section. Okay, and now go to the employee. So if I refresh once, you can see that the states change automatically. Yeah, it goes to the testing. Nice. Okay, so there will be a point for the done. So that will be increase uh, to the impress any employee. So there will be a message. If I let's we can see that one thing. Okay, if I approve this, that they will be getting. Let's refresh once. I think no need to refresh, it will all automatic comes, no, other page load. Yeah, this is come. So I, if I approve to testing to done, so there will be a thing, you can see it. Okay, so if I approved, okay, nice, approved. So let's go to the employee dashboard. So if I refresh once, it will be done, status will be done. Let's see right side, the completed, and the good message with the task, the congratulations, great work, this is task successfully done, completed, keep it, excellent performance. So you can see that message. This is the good engaging message. Okay, and that the comment section. So I can message with the particular assigned member. Okay, so see that, hi sir. And if I go to the workplace and project, the new project demo, let's go to the project. So you can see that if I refresh once, you can see the message, hi sir. So I can mention him by a click at the rate, as like the WhatsApp. So okay, you can do your work. Yeah, so let's send it. Yes, you can see. So you can also see in the employee. So once I refresh the comments, so you can see the message. So everyone can communicate with each other according to their tasks, their very given projects. So also you can see the fully mobile responsive, the all the things will be very aligned and mobile responsive, you can see, and you can check it out. So there will be a section we can full screen and minimize for the better visibility for the chatting system. So you can see that. Okay, good. So let's go to the new employee section. So I have copied previously that uh, employee ID. So which is which one? Okay, let me see. Okay, go to the setting. I have created one new employee. Okay, say. Okay, so let me copy it this now. Yes, this Krishna's. No, sorry for the late. Okay, never. So I have logged in again, logged in with a new employee. So for the attendance purpose, the new employee can apply for the leave management. Let's see the quick actions. There will be two options, it's on site and the remote. So let's click once. So it will be asking for the location and permission. Okay, this is also saved in the database. So just check in successfully. So you can see that. And attendance, you can see in the list it's marked. Let's go to the QR code scanner for the attendance management. So you can see my phone. So I'll be open the account in my phone, so I can scan and the attendance will be marked. Okay, so you can see that. So I'll be going to scan. Okay, so I can scan, and this is done message. The done message will be populated. It means the time of period, the office time or the employee time, they will punching and punch out. The record will be calculated here. See that hours, overtime, all the things will be recorded. And so also the admin can edit all the things, all the timing or leave late, anything. This status can change via manager or admin. Okay, let's go to the leave management. So currently having a 21 leaves, so let's apply for one. So we can see that 2 days leave. So let's go to the employee. So let's go to the leave management, apply for leave. Okay, there will be type of leaves. So let's take any, let's take emergency leave. Okay, so I'm taking a leave from 2 days, 30 to 31. So this is 2 days. So attachment, I can attach anything. So attach can be viewed. So this is the invoice I have created. So let's attach, and we can provide a description about the leave reason. Sorry. So I'm very low today. Yeah. Okay, so let's submit. Yeah, this is quickly come the data loaded. Okay, so we can view our attachments also. This is the uh, attachment I have added. Okay, I have applied for the 2 days leave. And let's go to the admin section, leave and leave section. Okay, this is the leave management. If I refresh once, if I refresh once, so you can see that this come. Okay, and if I go to the action section, I can view it, I can approve. So if I click the view, the all the details will be populate here, also the attachment, also the reason of the leave management. Okay, now going to approve the leave. So this is approved, and let's go to the employee dashboard. So if I refresh once, so we can see that the status will be changed and they approved by the admin. This is the admin name. So approved. Status will be changed. And also we also employee can the view who replied and when it happened. So now also the holiday management. So this is shown by the admin, whatever holidays admin can set for the company purpose. So we can check it out. And this is the analytics for this particular attendance management, the all things will be shown over there. So if I click that, it will be open on a new page. So you can see that all the things will be shown over there. Average time, hours, overtime, and absence, late, on leave, holidays, on checkout. You can see all the things will be here. The all the analytics cards will be populated here. Also the analytics graphs, pie charts, all the things will be added this. So easily we can monitor all the things. Also trains, the weekly trains. Okay, the graphs will be populated how many hours are working the employees, the whole details. And performance we can check in the group by performance, which department was doing very work well. So also the right side. And then this is the also the lead section where employed how many are present, how many days are they are present, what is the rate of their attendance, how many days are they are working, how many hours they are working overtime, all the things. In analytics parts also the overtime distributions, this average working hours, all will be calculated, all will be populated by according to the department performance, all the things. So let's go to the finance section. So this is the finance section where we can calculate employee salary month by day, monthly. Okay, this is calculated by uh, including holidays, all the things. Now I have created a new employee, so I have select this. So I have select the basic salary. So I can put all the things, earning, this, pf, taxes, esi, allowance, all things. So basically this is the base salary. Let's save structure. It will be saved by structure. Okay, so now see that you can see that the live upgrade. Okay, so now this is added to the table. This basis salary we can in the access, I can do a mark as a paid, or I can view the salary details. This is the open on a new page. So you can see that all the table formation deductions, all the details will be populated with the proper calculation now. So this all about the finance sections. Let's go to the calendar. The calendar basically added for the all tasks added via admin. Also the um, employee can see their tasks in the calendar section, particular tasks for the particular calendar. So this is also the fully responsive. I can see that if I click any task, it will be popular as a pop-up, so user can be read out which tasks they're getting it. Now if I click this, so you can see that right side it will be open a section where all the given tasks can read out all the description, all the thing. Okay, okay, let's go to the my task section. My task section basically also whatever tasks given by the admin or a manager, the employee can get see their tasks in a my task section, so they will be redirect directly. Okay, so review section. Let's if I archive any tasks, so what will be happen, this tasks will be archived in the archive section. So let's go this. So you can see that this tags will on archive section, so I can unarchive via this. Also see the in a grid view, on a list view, both the things we are providing at. Okay, so this is a workspace again, so I can see list view, grid view, all the things on the view section will be made in a very handy mode. Let's go to the member. Basically what will be see the how many workspace we have, one. So in the workspace how many members are there, so we can filter out or modify it by a section. member section. This is the report section. Basically this is report. We can report, generate a report, particular member, particular project. For this is the member I have select. Let's import it. uh, Export it. So you can see the all details of the employee. So this is the employee name, this is the task I was given it. Okay, this is the complete rate. All the analytics things are added in the PDF for the report section. So let's cross it. So if I go to the project completion reports, so this is the project we are creating. How many projects are given? 3 projects. How many done tasks? This ticks, this completed rate, and also the overdue tasks. All the report will be populated here. So let's I have to export this into the PDF. So we can see that the project performance details, this is the 3 projects, the total one, this, and pending, overdue, this all will be calculated in the report section. So let's cross it. Okay, so let's go back to the workspace section. So you can see that. So let's open a new, okay, open the new project. So you can see that there will be stages. So if I add a new stages, that call on hold. So on hold stage, basically uh, click red color, choose a red color, and this. So on hold basically like any task if I put into the on hold, so this task will be on red color. So you can see later on. Okay, so now you can see then on hold. Okay, you can see the on hold. So what I have to do, so let's see. So you can arrange the tasks or status in drag and drop mode. The drag and drop features also added over there. So you can see that the state was changed. Nice. So let's do one thing. Let me, okay, so let's create a new task. So I'll be show you. So let's creating a new, given a title, this is the testing for, and description also same, testing, and due date will be pick up 32 days and assigned by the new employee. Okay, let's create the task. So you can see the to-do list, the task is created. So if I put in the on hold, you can see the task cards will be changed the color just because the task was on hold, so it will be on hold. So you can see, let's me refresh once. So you can see on hold, the cards color is changed. Okay, so all the things are made very clearly and very responsive way. So in the chatting system, so I was previously told you that how many members in a particular project they can communicate each other via mention someone or via messaging anyone. So I have messaged now, so you can also see that. Now if I go to the employee, okay, not that one, so let's back. Okay, so this is the my text section. You can see that testing for is there. So the notification not come yet, so you can see that comment section. So let me see one thing. Yeah, let's go to the workspace. This is the dashboard. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. Basically I was told you that previously that is the super dashboard, and also the workspace wise dashboards also be provided. Okay, so in this is the workspace wise dashboard I have provided. Okay, so you can see all the details. Okay, all the login time, all the things will be given over here. Project performance, task priority, all the analytics are provided for the individual workspace dashboard. So in progress all the analytics will be provided. So for that